Hello, today we're gonna go one step further and we're gonna see how can we use pronouns, the indirect and direct object pronouns together. Let's see a quick question like this. Tú me das dinero a mí. You can say yo te doy dinero a ti, right? That's the first option and that's great. But we can do one more thing. You can say yo te lo doy. A ti is optional. You don't need to say it, okay? What have I done here? Okay, instead of dinero, I have used the direct object pronoun of dinero, lo, te lo doy. You see? And that's the way you do it. Suppose that I give you a sentence like, Juan te dice información de su trabajo. Okay. La información de su trabajo. But let's see this sentence. We have dice, this is a verb. Te is the indirect verb, indirect pronoun, right? It's who gets the information. Now, what does he say? The information. This is the direct object. Okay, so I can answer this saying, sí, Juan me. Now, información is feminine, so I need to use la. How do I know it's feminine? Because la is here. So that's the feminine article. It has to be feminine. Me la dice. That's it. You have done it. You see? The only thing you do is you substitute the direct object to. See the order. This is important. First, you use the subject here, subject, then indirect object, then direct object, then verb. It's always the same. Except if it's negative, and then you go, Juan no me la dice. So this is the order. Again, let me show you this. Subject, no, which may or not be there, you know, because maybe the sentence is feminine. Sorry, affirmative. Indirect, direct, verb. Juan, subject, no. Me, indirect, la, dice. You see? If I'm going to give you another example, for instance, tú le das un libro a tu mamá en su aniversario. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay. Tú, it's gonna be yo, right? Yo, indirect, le doy un libro. The rest is not important. Here you have the subject, indirect, verb, and the direct object. But now we're gonna substitute the direct object for a pronoun. Yo, le, libro is masculine, lo doy, right? And that's the correct answer, except, and this is very important, if the two pronouns start with L, and that's the only thing, the last thing you need to learn about this. You need to change the first le for a se. Yo se lo doy. Why? Is the way you do it in Spanish. Don't worry about that. I'm going to give you another example. Tú o yo te doy una Coca-Cola. Okay. Tú. Now the indirect, me, right? Because do I give you? Yes, you give me. Coca-Cola, la is feminine, right? La das, because tú das. That's it. But if you have something, yo le doy una Coca-Cola a Juan, in this case it's gonna be tú, right? From yo. Tú le Coca-Cola la das. Now, since you have L, two L's here, the two pronouns start with L, you need to change this to se. two syllables. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about this. Remember the order of the sentence: subject, no, indirect, direct, and verb. It's always the same thing. The rest of the sentence you don't need. Tú le das un libro a tu mamá en su aniversario, you don't need to answer. It's in the question. It doesn't have to be in the answer. And that's the only thing you need to know. I hope that this is going to be useful. As you see, it's very, very simple.